So I always learned that, we could be efficient on a job, we can do it safely, we can make money, but nobody ever taught us how to use money as a tool. And,
For sure.
even in the military, we could do these operations with precision and such great efficiency. We're making money. My God, we know how to spend it, right? But we don't know how to put it to work. So what I really wanted to do is get to the basics, if you will, and just teach, here's how money can work for you as a tool. Being in this business and writing the book, I felt like I was really helping a lot of my clients, but I looked at all the people that are out there that really just have no idea. And that's why I wrote my book and want to be part of the solution and not the problem.
I think it's very unfortunate, right, that we are taught in school so many helpful things, and then we go on and we do careers and we're taught to work hard and, to do things at a high level, but then we aren't given any tools with money. It's so important to, have a clear understanding of that.